Hello everyone, I am Ima Khare from MBA Section 3. The factor contributed to my happiness are enjoying little things like spending time with my family, exploring new places, helping others, hang out with my friends, and many more. As I experience, many people think that holding nice position and earning a lot of money is necessary for getting happiness. It is true for that success brings happiness, but it does not mean it is the only way for happiness. In reality, happiness lies in enjoying little things. And also, the Dalai Lama said that happiness is not something ready made, it comes from your actions. Thank you.
The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live life full of dreams. I have always stood by this thought, and to me, my happiness lies in chasing the life I always dream of. Hello everyone, I am Sarthak Kekre from Section 3 MBA program, and this video is my definition of happiness. I have always been a man of few words, and painting is an escape to my chaotic mind. Yes, painting is my luminous language of communication. I utilized the first lockdown as an opportunity to revive my calling for painting, and therefore I indulged my heart and soul into making paintings and sketches. The whole process felt so satisfying that I have never stopped since then. I even turned the wall into my canvas and thankfully did not ruin any one of them. Just when I thought this is it, life gave me another chance for self-exploration once again. Who said happiness and passion can only be for one thing? In 2020, I stepped into the booming world of digital marketing. I developed a website and have been actively managing it. The slow yet steady progress drives me to experiment more. The happiness to know your capabilities is immeasurable. This video has actually recalled the memories of my first. I am grateful to the teachers for giving me the opportunity to share my little bit things that I have done so far.
Hello, my name is Muskan Khatri and I'm from Section 3. Apart from dancing, I also enjoy traveling a lot and I've had the privilege to travel to a lot of places within India. So dancing and traveling are the two things which make me really happy, and I feel liberated from any kind of stress that I have in life or any kind of stress that I face.
Hello everyone, my name is Yash Gohal. I'm from Gadarwara, District Narsinghpur, Madhya Pradesh. Currently, I'm pursuing my MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research, IPAR Bhopal. I'm in first year of my college and I'm in Section 3. I did my graduation from Renaissance College of Commerce and Management, Indore, and I did my schooling from Tagore Vidyaniketan, Gadarwara. Things that makes me happy are I love swimming, playing volleyball, I like driving, listening to music while I'm driving, watching web series and movies, hanging out with my friends. Talking about my family, I have four members in my family: my father, mother, and elder sister, and my grandmother. My father is a government employee, my mother, she's a homemaker, my sister works as an HR manager, and my grandmother, she's a religious woman. Well, about my career, I want to improve my skills. I'm looking for a good job opportunity at a reputative firm where I can fulfill all my dreams and maintain a good work life balance. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Morning, sir and ma'am, and good morning, my dear friends. Thanks for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am a Richa Parsai. Basically, I am from Hoshangabad, but currently I live in Bhopal, in Madhya Pradesh. I have done my graduation from Bartola University in Commerce. My father is a Kamlesh Parsai, he is a farmer, and my mother is a Pratibha Parsai, and she is a homemaker. My hobby is listening to music because they gives energy. Music is my passion. I love all old songs. That's all about me. Thanks to listen to me carefully, and thank you.
Hello, I'm Meenakshi Sapre from third section. Now let me tell you, जो कि मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी देता है. There are two things. Firstly, this. मैं सोचती हूँ कि अपनी जो फीलिंग है वो मैं ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ. सारी फीलिंग, जो भी मैं सोचती हूँ, जो मैं देखती हूँ, जो भी मेरे अंदर आता है मैं उसे ड्रॉ कर देती हूँ और जिससे मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है. एंड सेकंड, माय डायरी, जिसमें मैं अपनी फीलिंग कुछ इस तरह से लिखती हूँ. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपनी फीलिंग को लिखना. स्केच करना और पोइट्री लिखना ही मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी देता है. हाँ, मैं बोल सकती हूँ दैट्स मेक मी हैप्पी, वेरी हैप्पी. थैंक यू, हैव अ गुड डे.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Singh Baghel from MBA first year section 3rd. So if I tell you what makes me happy, I have a very long list. I think 2 minutes would not be sufficient to tell what are the things which makes me happy. So in 2 minutes मैं बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ें बताऊँगी अपने बारे में. So एक रूल है जो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ. डेफिनेटली यू शुड हैव अ बिग गोल, बिग एम, डेफिनेटली. बट उन चीज़ों के पीछे भागते भागते आई थिंक ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि हमें बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में खुश होना चाहिए. तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जैसे कि मैं भोपाल में जहाँ पे रहती हूँ वहाँ पे पीछे एक स्लम एरिया, वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे बच्चे रहते हैं तो मैं उनसे बातें करती हूँ. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि मैं चैरिटी करती हूँ, डेफिनेटली नॉट, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट एज ऑफ नाउ. सो चैरिटी तो मैं नहीं करती हूँ, बट मैं उनसे बातें करती हूँ, उनसे मिलती हूँ खुद की खुशी के लिए. वहाँ पे एक छोटी बच्ची है, हर नेम इज़ मालिनी. सो वेन एवर शी हग मी इट गिव्स मी रियल हैप्पीनेस, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम भोपाल. और अनजान शहर में अगर आपसे कोई मिलता है और इतने प्यार से आपसे बात करता है तो आपको डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छी लगता है. उसके अलावा कुछ चीज़ें हैं जैसे कि मुझे मोमोज़ बहुत पसंद है तो मुझे वो चीज़ भी बहुत खुशी देती है. अदर देन दैट सेल्फ टॉक एक चीज़ है जो मुझे बहुत खुशी देती है. और इसके अलावा मैं बताऊँ अपने बारे में चीज़ें तो आई थिंक बहुत छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें हैं. डेफिनेटली मेरा लाइफ में गोल है, एम है, बट मैं ऐसा समझती हूँ कि किसी चीज़ के पीछे भागते भागते ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि हमें अभी खुश रहना है. ये दिमाग में नहीं लाना चाहिए कि हमें ये चीज़ मिल जाएगी तो हम खुश हो जाएंगे. तो इस थॉट को निकाल करके आई थिंक जो भी अपकमिंग चीज़ें हैं हमें उनमें खुश होना चाहिए. तो मैं इस चीज़ को फॉलो करती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello, my name is Anjana Manoj and I am from section 3. The thing which makes me happy is dance. Initially it was just my hobby, but gradually it became my passion and I thought of getting perfect at it, so I took training in Bharatanatyam. But I like to try other forms as well, so it makes me a versatile dancer. I have also attached my video. Thank you.
रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा, मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फेरा. हाँ हाँ हो
Myself Aniket Singh. I am from Bhopal. I have to done my graduation in BCom from BU University. I would like many activities, but I love playing volleyball. And the reason of my happiness is my best friend. Chilling with my friend is the best feeling in my life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shikha Goswami and I am from Bhopal. I love cycling. I love to listen music. I love to play with dogs. All these things helps me to cope up with my anxiety and makes me the happiest. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Rashti Jain. I am currently pursuing my Masters in Business Administration from Institute of Professional Education and Research. Currently, I have done my internship in marketing from Lido Learning. It's an ad tech. I am from Bhopal. I have a beautiful joint family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. My strengths are my positive attitude and interpersonal skills. My weakness is my emotional nature. I have interest in painting and plantation. I have been involved in painting since childhood, and I started plantation since 2018, and it has inspired me a lot. Painting and plantation makes me happy, and as you can see in the background, I have made all these paintings. I had tried various mediums of paintings, like watercolor, acrylic, and various types. I have done Gondard dot paintings, rectangles painting, and many more. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nitesh Kumar and I am from the 25th batch of MBA section 3. First of all, I would like to wish a warm and happy Diwali to all of you and your family. Coming back to the point, what makes me happy? Basically, I'm a sportsman person and I love to play sports whenever I get a free time or a leisure time to prove myself, and sports give me a different type of energy to fight myself. I play almost all types of sports like football, cricket, hockey, badminton, table tennis, and many more. But especially, I love to play hockey whenever I get my free time, because it gives me a different energy to fight myself. And after the game, I feel very relaxed and peace of mind, where I could do my work in a different style.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amar Ujjwal. I am from 25th batch of MBA section 3. First of all, I would like to wish happy Diwali to all of you and your family. Coming to the point, what makes me happy? Basically, I am gymmer. I love to doing gymming whenever free time or leisure time. It gives me different energy to fight myself.
Hello everyone. I, Muskan Kemchandani from IPA MBA Section 3 is here to tell what makes me happy. So the real meaning of happiness for me is self-love. How much you love your own self, how much you enjoy your own company, what peace does it brings to your inner self. So for me, happiness is either meditating or reading books. Meditation basically helps me to love my own self, how I can keep my own self happy, because if I cannot keep my own self happy, nobody can. So meditation brings out the positive side in me. It gives me peace, and it helps me to look at everything with some positivity and bring the brighter side in front. So meditation is what makes me happy. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Gupta. I am from Section 3 MBA. Traveling, listening music and spending time with my loved ones makes me happy. Thank you.
I am Annie from MBA Section 3. So what basically makes me happy is spending time with my family, and recently I have celebrated Bhai Dooj with my entire family, and it was so memorable and wonderful that I could not be more happier at that moment. Other than this, I like to try out new cuisines and different food that really makes me happy, and I also like and enjoy yoga and working out. Thank you very much. That's all from my side.
Hello everyone, I am Pooja Chaudhary and I am from Bhopal itself. I have completed my graduation from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, and my hobby is mannequin and cooking also. That's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Anjali Jaiswal from Section 3. I am from Auditilla Village. Let me tell you about my schooling. I studied from Chavra Vidya Bhavan Higher Secondary School. I completed my graduation from Sarojini Naidu Government Girls College. Now, when I have enrolled myself for MBA in this college, I am very excited and happy. My hobbies are traveling, cooking, spending time with my family. When it comes to the question that what makes me feel happy, I am really confused. It is because I find my happiness in very small things. It is very difficult to enlist those entire things that makes me happy, but I will enlisting few things that provide greater happiness to me. The quality time that I spend with my family makes me feel most happy. The smiling face of my parents makes me happy. We can find happiness in our daily routine life with very small things. It totally depends upon us to search out reasons for becoming happy in our life. Happiness arises from the thing that we love to do in our life. Thank you.
Hello, I am Suti Srivastav from MBA Section 3. I have completed my higher secondary from Deep Jyoti Higher Secondary School, and I am BCom graduated from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, which is also known as the BSSS College. I have also done RJing and anchoring there, as they have their own radio station which is known as BSSS Rhythm, the international online radio. And now I am pursuing MBA from IPER College. One of my hobbies is listening to music. Music makes me so relieved, so stress free, and it is kind of meditation to me. If you will ever ask me what I really love to listen, then my answer will always be Arijit Singh. Because I really love his voice, the way he sings. It is amazing. His music, it is all soothing. And my another hobby is playing badminton. I really enjoy while I play badminton during my free time. It makes me feel active and healthy while having fun. I really enjoy it. And it is all about me. Thank you so much for giving me such opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Sharma from MBA Section 3. I belong from a very small town in Madhya Pradesh named Udaipura. If I go on and talk about what makes me happy, literally I am confused. Because it is because I find my happiness in very small things in life. It will be very difficult to enlist all those entire things that makes me happy, but I enlisting few important things that provide greater happiness to me. Firstly, my family. Our parents are the most important and precious gift by God to us. The quality time I spend with my family members and the smiling face of my family members makes me happy. To tell you about next, I love to eating golgappas. I love enjoying the beauty of nature and music, the trees, the birds, small animals and their activities. And I'm fascinated about to dancing, and I love going to my place. That place makes me closer and connected to Mother Nature and provide happiness to me. So that's all about me. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I'm Janice Chan from Section 3. The question is, what makes me happy? For me, happiness means things which give you peace, satisfaction. There are a lot of things which makes me happy, but here I'm going to tell you about one thing which makes me happy. That is being around nature. Being around nature makes me happy. The question arises, why being around nature makes me happy? The following reasons are: being in nature or even just viewing a scene of nature reduce my fear, my stress, my anger, and increase pleasant feeling. Spending time in walking or just simply viewing a tree reduce my stress, improve my mood. For me, nature is antidote of stress. Even the researchers has found that nature simply make us happy. In last, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share what makes me happy.
Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Shubham Singh Rathore. I'm a part of IPE and MBA Section 3. I'm shooting this video to let you know that what makes me happy. First thing is my family. My family, I can't tell you in words or expressions, can't tell you what family means to me. If I can tell you that they are just my heart. Second thing is I love to travel at night. That gives me immense happiness from inside or outside. I feel relaxed whenever I travel at night, or I'm a night freak person. Second thing is completed. Third thing is that I used to love cook food at night. Night means 1 a.m., 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. I can try my best. I will never repeat the same things which I made yesterday. And fourth things, my friends. I love to travel, love to hang out with my friends. I forget each and everything which gives me a sad moments, or which give me a tension in mind. Whenever I'm with my friends, I forget everything. That's giving me a very immense happiness from inside. And fifth things, which gives me a literally most important thing of my life and most important thing of my day, which makes me which gives me a good feel, is chai. I literally made a good tea. If you want to taste it, you're welcome at my home. I will literally made for you with full of my heart. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Agrawal. I am an MBA student from IPER Bhopal. In this video, I want to talk about what's make me happy. So, my family and friends, for sure, they encourage me what I want to do. I love gossips with them. I love spend time with them, and a lot of things make me happy. Music, reading, hiking, playing cricket. So I don't waste energy feeling bad for myself. I surrounded myself with the people that I want to be with, and I keep moving forward.
Hello, my name is Jasmine Kirajani and I'm from section 3. Okay, so here I go. There is no other thing which makes me the happiest other than food. Food is something that makes me happiest than all. Like जब भी मैं सैड होती हूँ तो मैं खाना खाना शुरू कर देती हूँ. चॉकलेट्स हो गया, पिज्ज़ा हो गया, कोल्ड कॉफ़ी एंड ऑल. एंड जब भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होती हूँ तो मैं खाना बनाती हूँ. आई कुक द फूड फॉर अदर्स ऑल्सो एंड फॉर माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो. एंड I don't like sharing my food whenever it tastes just like heaven. And I just love the food. Now also I'm eating. As you can see, I have some packets around me. So yeah, that was the part of my video. So now I need to rush as food is waiting for me. So bye.
Hello everyone, hi, I'm Diksha Roshlani from MBA first year, section C. So here the topic is what makes me feel happy, right? So what is happiness? Happiness is about getting inner satisfaction and well-being of mind and body. So happiness is certainly a great feeling. It is an expression in the form of joy, excitement, pride and gratitude, etc. So when it's come to the question ki what makes me feel happy, so I'm really confused. It will be very difficult to find and there's those entire list which makes me feel happy, because there are many small things in my life which makes me feel happy. So but I will be enlisting those things, those few important things that provide me great happiness to me. So I find great pleasure in feeding dogs because I love dogs, and I also keep some grains and water in the bowl on my roof every day to feed and quench the that thirsty birds. Things like which makes me feel happy, right? Dancing and painting, cooking food, even eat food give me a great happiness. So we all are doing some or other things in our lives. Every day we do in our life is only to attain happiness, right? So be happy, keep smiling and give happiness. Thank you.
I'm Aniket Pathak. Basically, I'm from Gadarwara. It is an developing city of Narsinghpur district, but currently I'm residing in Bhopal. I'm pursuing MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research IPER Bhopal. I have completed my BCom in computers from Government PG College Gadarwara, and I have done my schooling from Nupur Convent School Gadarwara. And the things that makes me happy are listening music, writing poems and shairis, and my favorite one, traveling. Traveling always makes me happy. I travel a lot with my friends and family. My first trip was to Pachmadi and we enjoyed a lot. I have gone with my family, and whenever we get time we always discuss about the trips and the memories. And whenever we go for the trip we always collect memories, and memories always make us happy. Thank you.
Hello, myself Vinayki Solanki from MBA Section 3. I am from Khandwa. I have completed BCom in Computer Application from DAV University. Things that make me happy are playing football, reading self-help books and dancing. I am trying to improve my football skills, so I practice it daily. I have developed this reading habit during lockdown. I have read so many books such as Atomic Habit, Secret, and many more. Currently, I am reading Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sagar Chaturvedi. I am from Sihor, Madhya Pradesh. I am pursuing MBA Section 3 from 25th batch of Institute of Professional Education and Research, Bhopal. I have completed my graduation in BBA from Sri Sat Sai University of Technology and Medical Science, Sihor. Now, coming to my hobbies. My hobbies are playing badminton, and my favorite hobby is traveling because I love discovering new cities and places around the world. I often save up for a month to plan a trip every year. I love friend trip and family outings, but solo traveling bring me the real adventure. Now coming to my short term and long term goal. My short term go my short term goal is to do MBA, and my long term goal is to attain a good position in an organization. Thank you.